I have great news. Guess which PowerPoint feature just came out of retirement? Last year, Microsoft retired it with almost no warning, and just as quietly, with zero notification, it's back. Yes, the reuse slide button is back in PowerPoint. And before you flood my comments with why did they retire it in the first place, they never said. But what I do know is a lot of my fellow MVPs and end users pushed back hard on the deprecation of this feature. Some even circulated a petition to get it reinstated. I know I gave Microsoft feedback, and I'm glad you did too, because clearly someone was listening. Make sure you stay on to the end because I will discuss the limitations with this version that I discovered. Let's get started. If you are unfamiliar with this feature, it is a great way to easily open the file next to your active presentation in a side pane. Then copy slides from one PowerPoint to another. Where to find the reused slide? Click Insert from the ribbon, select New Slide from the drop-down menu, and then choose Reuse Slides. Next, the Reuse Slides pane appears where you can select the presentation file to open. Notice that any recently opened presentations are listed, or you can browse through your file location. When selecting the files, by default, the copy slide takes on the design or the theme of the active presentation. If you prefer to keep the original format of the reuse slide, go ahead and click the checkbox. If this video is adding value to your workflow, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me continue producing free content for you and others. Let's get back to this presentation. The first limitation I noticed, Microsoft documentation states reusing slides from the cloud, OneDrive, or SharePoint is deprecated. During my testing, I have OneDrive connected to my Windows 11, and I was able to connect to a presentation and insert the slide. I also noticed that in the reuse slide pane that you are unable to select all or select multiple slides. You must choose one slide at a time. For new PowerPoint users, once you add a slide to the active presentation, any changes you make don't affect the original slide, so no worries there. Also, when adding a slide from the reuse slide pane, I was unable to tell which slides are hidden, but when I added it to my active presentation, it retained the hidden behavior. And that's good. Well, that's all I have for you today on return of the reuse slides in PowerPoint. Like this video, and now go work your magic.